Mint Mobile uses eSIMs, which are digital SIM cards, to activate your service. An eSIM is a digital SIM card embedded in your device. Deleting the eSIM profile removes your Mint Mobile plan from your device. This is useful when switching carriers, troubleshooting, or deactivating service. The process differs slightly between iPhones and Android devices, but both involve accessing your device's settings. Before you begin, back up your data as deletion is irreversible. Contact Mint Mobile support if you encounter issues to avoid billing problems. Ensure you have an alternative cellular plan if the eSIM is your primary line to prevent service interruption. Settings access varies by device, as shown here for iPhone and Android. On iPhone, start by opening Settings and tapping Cellular or Mobile Data. Then select your Mint Mobile eSIM from the cellular plans. Scroll down and tap Remove Cellular Plan, confirm the removal, and restart your iPhone. On Android, navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, and select SIMs or Mobile Network. Choose your Mint Mobile eSIM from the list. Tap Delete or Remove, confirm any prompts, and restart your Android phone. After deleting the eSIM profile on either device, contact Mint Mobile to fully deactivate your account and avoid further charges. Note that some firmware updates may cause issues, so contact support if you experience problems with the deletion process.